So in this video, we'll try to see what is Python operator in Airflow DAG. See, it is used to execute a Python function as a task in Airflow DAG. Simple understanding is that if I want to execute any Python function, we should use Python operator. If you want to execute any bash command, bash operator. Same thing, if I want to work on Python related thing, we should use Python operator. It allows you to run custom Python code within an Airflow task by specifying a Python function to the Python callable parameter. So this is a parameter. By this parameter, we can able to call your Python function. See syntax. So Python operator. So task ID Python callable parameter. So by this function, we are trying to call your Python function. So by which is the callable function. Let me go here. So before going, first you need to understand what is Python function. See, it is a block of code which runs when it is called. Okay, see, a function can return data as a result. A function helps avoiding code repetition. See, if you are coming from Snowflake background, in Snowflake, if I want to work on reusability, we need to go for what? Go for user-defined function, user-defined tabular functions are process. Same thing here also. So we don't want to write the repeated code every time. So define one thing, we should go with Python function. See the syntax. We'll use the same example. In Python, a function is defined using the def keyword. The following, see def. So by using def, see def, my function name. So this is your function name. So we want to print hello from a function. So the same thing I want to execute or I want to call from Airflow DAG. If I want to call, what I need to have? I need to have what? Python operator. So let me copy the same thing. So see, we are trying to define this function. If you see, scroll down, see, define the function and we want to execute. See, when I try to run, so see, this is the way you can enable. Suppose, let me put my name for understanding. See, Praveen Kumar Bomiseti. Okay, see, let me give one thing. So now I'm trying to give Snowflake DBT, okay, ADF, Airflow, okay, see, Databricks, okay, BigQuery. I'm trying to give all these things. So training. So I'm trying to mention my simple thing. So see, if I try to run, see, I need to get this value. Let me mention. See, so Praveen Kumar, all this thing. Same thing. So this is from the console. Same thing. What I want to do, I want to call from Airflow DAG. Let me copy the same thing. Let me go to the VS Code. Let me create a DAG. So see, let me create a Python DAG dot py. Okay, let me minimize it. Okay, see, Control V. See, now what happened? This is my function. But what we want to do, so first we need to instate the DAG. Okay, we should create an instance of the DAG. So for this one, what we need to import? See, from Airflow, I am trying to import DAG. See, Airflow, same thing. Same thing. So now this is so far good. So DAG we have imported. So we need to create a DAG. See, with DAG bracket open bracket, simple thing. I'm not going for any parameters, only one parameter is. So this is DAG level parameter. I'm trying to give the DAG ID. So this should be unique. Okay. So got the point. See, I'm putting, so Python operator example. So simple. I'm trying to say everything clearly. See, so DAG ID Python operator X. This is my what? This is my DAG ID. This DAG ID will be visible in the Airflow UI. Okay, see, with the DAG, so far good. Now what happened? DAG contains what? See, DAG, see, as DAG colon. Let me put, so see, colon. So next one is that what? So DAG should contain task. See, I'm trying to put a run function. Okay, so let me put So now tell me now what happened now. My requirement is that what I want to see, I want to call this function. Now if I want to call what discuss, we should use what operator? See this, see Python operator. Got the pointer. See, so Python operators. Copy the same thing, Control C. See, now we need to work on so function. So Python operator. See, now what happened? See, it is saying is not defined. If I want this operator, see, if I want to work on DAG, I need to import thing. If I want to work on Python operator, same thing, I want to import it. See, from Airflow dot operators, okay, dot Python import. So import what I want to import, which operator? This Python operator. Simple thing. If I want to use anything, I need to import. See Control V. Okay, save it. Now let me remove all these things. So see, we are importing the DAG. Python importing for DAG creation. Python operator. See Python operator. In this Python operator, what we're having? See, we're having task ID. So task ID. So see, run my function. Any name we can use. Run my function. So save it. So comma. Now what happened now? I want to call this function. See this one. Now how to call? We discuss what? Python. What is in Python callable function. So Python callable equal to my function name. So Control X. So remove the same thing and put here. Okay. Save it. Okay, see, simple thing. So from Airflow, I am trying to import this tag. So from Airflow.operators.python, I am trying to import Python operator. So we are creating one function. So one custom function. My function name is my function. Okay. So I want to print. So this is the value I want to print. Okay. See the same thing. Let me save it. Now now what's my tag ID? This tag ID should be available in the Airflow UI. So make sure like your web server and killer as in enabled. Let me copy the same thing. Let me go here. See, click on DAX. Okay. Let me search. It will take some time to get it done. So hold for some time. It will take at least 30 seconds to 1 minute to get reflected here. Let me refresh it. So wait for some time. So see one more time. Meanwhile, when you have time, let me go to the VS Code. Okay. So see, we are trying to import. So see Python. We can able to work on any function. If we want to work on Python little thing, we need to use by using Python up. Same thing. If I want to work on any bash thing, bash operator will be there. Let me go. Hope this should be there. Okay. Let me go to the active. So Control V. 30 seconds, mostly it take 2 minutes at least. Let me pass for some time. Okay, see it is getting pop. See Python operator example. Okay, see now what happened. See, run my function. So this is the value. So okay, now let me try to trigger my DAG. Okay, see now expected is that what I want to get what. So I want to get Praveen Kumar. So this information I want to see in the log. See, it is success. So click on this value. So go to logs. See, I can able to get my information. So Praveen Kumar Unisetti, Snowflake DBT ADF Airflow DAG. So this string. So you can able to read this number. So I'm trying the same thing. So got the pointer. So like this way, see, I can go here. I can see my code. So DAG. So Python operator. Slowly you need to work on it. Okay. So don't be in a hurry to learn everything in one go. So it will take some time. So see DAG instance. So there are multiple parameters are there. Owner retries, all this information is there. So schedule is there. Okay. So retry after some time. So multiple parameters, DAG level parameters are there, task level parameters. So as of now, just to understand this Python operator. So Like this way, you can able to work on this Python. Hope this is clear. Okay.